So I've got a BMW E53 X5 with an M57 diesel, so it's a 3-litre D, and the battery is going flat, and the customer's reported a noise under the bonnet, constant whirring sound. So if we go to our heater unit, our external heater, it feels warm to the touch, and we can hear it constantly running, and the combustion air blower motor, which is inside of the unit, which draws through this pipe. If we hear, listen, when I squeeze this pipe, the sound changes, and this pipe is just a fresh air pipe, basically the air intake for the heater. That's the air that's getting heated up, the atmospheric air, so being drawn in through that. It's pulling a vacuum on my finger there, so that's constantly running. Now the only way I can stop it, this is a terminal 30, so it's a constant live, and a terminal 31, so constant earth, and then the only way I can stop it is unplugging it. There's no other plugs to this unit other than this plug here and this plug here. This one is going to the external water pump. This plug is coming from the independent heating receiver module, which is in the spare wheel well. With this unplugged, it makes no difference either. So this is all an integrated unit. So the heater is inside here, the fan that we're hearing running is inside here. We've also got diesel coming out of the exhaust pipe for the unit. So if we look underneath, we've actually got our own exhaust pipe here, and this exhaust runs under the car, and we'll look under the car and show you that it's covered in diesel. So we're now under the vehicle, and we can see this is absolutely soaked in diesel and stinks of diesel too. So the problem we've got is it's actually the heater unit itself is actually defective. So basically, if you've got a E53 diesel and the battery's going flat, and you can hear this noise under the bonnet, or any noise from this unit, or this unit's warm, unplug it and see if it fixes your problem.